Hello everyone, I am Purvasha Kole. I have completed my graduation from Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Mohanpur campus, West Bengal. This year, I appeared on ICAR JRF examination on the subject group of Physical Science and secured marks of 450 out of 480. From the second year of my undergraduate studies, I decided to choose Soil Science as my future studies. Now, the Physical Science group consists of mainly 5 parts: Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry, Agricultural Physics, Agricultural Chemicals, Agricultural Meteorology, and Environmental Science. For the Soil Science portion, I started with the basic textbooks like Introductory Soil Science by D.K. Dash and Textbook of Soil Science by S.K. Pal. These two books were extremely beneficial to me for building a basic concept about the subject. After this, I have studied the book Fundamentals of Soil Science by Indian Society of Soil Science. The 2012 edition is very much useful for preparation of GRF, and the chapter of Remote Sensing, GIS and GPS in Soil Resource Studies from 2015 edition is very much useful. Each and every chapter of this book is equally important. For the soil pedology portion, I covered the book, a textbook of pedology by J. Saigal. The first 7 chapters of this book is enough for JRF examination. Each and every line of the book, Textbook of Soil Science by T.D. Bishwas and S.K. Mukherjee, is very much important. So try to revise this book as many times as you can. Lastly, I have read Soil Science Treatise by Etela Satyanarayana. This book was extremely beneficial for recapitulating all the informations, as the informations are kept in a very concise manner. For the agricultural meteorology, I have read Principles of Agronomy by Reddy and Reddy. I have covered the agricultural chemicals portion from the book Agro Soil Simplified by Sirajuddin. For environmental science and physiology, the book Fundamentals of Agriculture by Arun Kattan Volume 2 is very much helpful. I have also read the soil science, physiology and agrometeorology portion from the book Agronomy Facts for Competitions by Jain Brothers. For general agriculture, a competitive book of agriculture by Nemraj Shunda is more than enough. Also, you should have a basic knowledge about organic and physical chemistry and SPD block elements, which you can recapitulate from any 10+2 NCERT level books. I followed some Telegram channels to solve quizzes on a daily basis. The name of some of the Telegram channels are Online Soil Science, Soil in Soul, Agriculture One-Liner Notes, Agri ICAR JRF, etc. For practicing MCQs, I solved Soil Science at a Glance by New Vishal Publications, Objective Soil Science by T. Ramesh, Objective Soil Science by Jain Brothers, and Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. From the beginning of 2022, a special coaching was arranged by my university, which was extremely beneficial for us. The teachers of Department of Soil Science, Meteorology, Soil Water Conservation and Agricultural Chemicals were very much cooperative in arranging doubt clearing classes and arranging mock tests. Lastly, I want to share some tips with the future JRF aspirants that I followed. Choose the subject according to your own interest from the very beginning, and form a group of friends of similar interest and try to discuss every topics with them after completion of every chapter. Prepare topic-wise chart like nutrient deficiency symptoms, name of the instruments and their functions, name of eminent scientists and their contribution, etc. Try to solve the numerical problems on a regular basis, like the problems of normality, molarity, gypsum and leaching requirement, radioactivity, etc. Always contact with your teachers and seniors for any doubt clearing purposes. Try to cover the syllabus as early as possible so that you can revise it multiple times. Lastly, try to follow the syllabus to cover each and every topic mentioned, and also practice the previous year's questions. I would like to thank my friends, family, my respected teachers and my university, without whom it could have never been possible for me. I would like to convey my special thanks to Etela Satyanarayana sir for sharing my views with the future JRF aspirants. Thank you.